Heater core removal in a Toyota Camry. This is 2003. Heater core slides in here. This little area here, and this is new heater core here. And what happens is this here is a factory. I broke them off, but these they come factory. These disconnect. You have to unbend the areas here and slide them out. I didn't. I just broke them off. I didn't care. But before I install these, I want to disconnect the hoses, slide this in, and then slide these in. They're easier to deal with that way. So you see the factory bends here. I'm in the process of straightening them out here. I'm going to show you in just a second. You can see there's a rubber seal in here. This is the part I'm going to insert through the firewall up here, and I've already taken loose the bends around the edges, and once I get in, I just use pliers and just squeeze the edges to hold it in as they did. The slot here, here's the heater core. Take it. There you go. Insertion is done. I want to take these lines and install the line, and then squeeze them. Install the lines up here somewhere. This is the upper hose. This is the lower hose. As you can see, right here, upper and lower. So what I want to do is insert the upper. Through here. Just push it in. That one is in. And it connects on here. Gonna slide it all the way in and then squeeze the connections together on the rubber. This one here goes at the bottom hose. Slide it in. Move around the brake. Push in. This slides on here. And they come out right here. I'm going to connect everything and show you the aftermath. Now what I've done is push this one in already, and I'm going to squeeze them on the end. This one is out still. I've taken the rubber out of here, put it on here, so it can easily slide into place. There it is installed. It's flush. So all I have to do is like this one. I'll show you. Use some vice grips. Just clamp the edges of it and get it bent like so. You have a bend here and here. And bend it in on the edges again. There it is. Same with up here. You're gonna bend it. I'm gonna put these. I can't hold the camera and do it at the same time, but I hope you got the idea.